Basically, we've been seeing the same adoption from China for the past 5 years. So it's not a new thing. The safe city is a very growing trend in China and in most major countries. I think two of the biggest trends we can see from the past experience. The first one is definitely the big data. The big data application is the main driving factors for the safer city. It's where you can consolidate all the different information from both not just video surveillance. You're actually combining all the different data from all the different what we call sensors, or we call from different public or private departments, and you put it into a storage, and where you can analysis and you can put all the different report on those data. So that's one of the big trend we're seeing is the big data trend. I think definitely the market driver for our industry is high definition. Previously, we're having is an analog system. You cannot get the very clear pictures out of the same analog cameras compared to megapixel cameras. So people already have their HDTV inside their living room. We can foresee they would like to get the same crystal pictures from their video surveillance system. But the constraints part is really about I think it's about the IT knowledge, but also is how you're going to compile and configure, design an IT system. And that's the biggest constraints of our previous CCTV partners. They will need to learn additional knowledge to be able to design the IP system. But on the other hand, we also see there's a big opportunity from the IT sector's vendors. When they get into this industry, they're able to learn a lot of different IT knowledge from their past experience. That's their biggest advantage. But I think from the revenue point of view, sometimes maybe this industry is a little bit too small for those IT sectors company, which maybe they will think twice before they enter this field. Because this industry relies on a lot of different solution providers and a lot of different solutions tailored to different vertical markets. That's what we're seeing recently. I think it's a great show because you really have, it's hard to find a dedicated show focused on IP technology. In the past, when you try to join the security show, you will see still CCTV, you will see a lot of different security-related technology inside. But if you're able to find an IP surveillance knowledge and the best vendors in the world, I think all of IP is the best place to join.